Hello everyone, welcome. We are ready to begin our new unit this week. Last week we finished learning about bees. This week we're going to learn about something that actually connects seeds and plants and bees all together. And that something is weather. We are going to study weather for 2 weeks now. Are you ready to begin? I have a book for you. I'm not going to read the entire book. We're just going to read the very beginning. This book was written by Robin Supraner, illustrated by Courtney Studio and Dennis Davidson. This is a Troll publishing company. Are you ready to begin? Well, here it goes. Weather. When you wake up in the morning, do you look out the window to see what kind of a day it's going to be? Do you look up at the sky and wonder about the weather? What is it going to be like today? Some days are rainy. Some days are cloudy and chilly. And on some days, big flakes of snow come tumbling out of the sky. Each day brings a different kind of weather. The air all around you is part of the weather. Is the air calm or windy? Or is it wet or dry? Clear or cloudy? Hot or cold? All these conditions make up the day's weather. Everywhere in the world, different kinds of weather are taking place. Somewhere people are sunbathing. Sun feels so good. Somewhere else, a storm is raging. Thunder rumbles and lightning seems to crack the sky. But what makes the rain? What makes the snow? What makes different kinds of weather? All of our weather begins with the sun. The sun gives us heat. Sunshine warms everything it touches. All weather starts with the sun. The sun is very important. That's why our first lesson on weather will center around the sun. Well, there is nothing more wonderful like a beautiful sunny day. On a sunny day, I love to wear my hat. Oh, I need some shade on me. I might need to put some sunscreen on myself too. Protect myself from the strong sun rays. A little bit more sunscreen here, Mrs. Walkowski. I might need my sunglasses too. Let me replace that. Oh, so much better. I am ready now to learn about the sun, since it's so important to every type of weather. Are you ready? Here it goes. Well, the book that I want to still share with you, different than the previous one, is titled The Sun, Our Nearest Star by Franklin and Branley, illustrated by Edward Miller. The weather book, we'll be getting back to that one every single day. Get ready. The sun, our nearest star. At night, you can see a lot of stars because the sky is dark. When the sky is bright, you can also see a star. It is the sun. The sun is our daytime star. It is also the star closest to us. The sun is very big. It is much bigger than Earth. The sun is almost 1,000,000 miles across. If Earth was the size of a pea, the sun would be the size of a beach ball. This is Earth, and this is the sun. Well, our planet is so small comparing to the sun. The sun is very far away from us. It is much further than the moon. A spaceship takes 3 days to reach the moon. It would take more than 3 years to reach the sun. Unbelievable. And you remember, the sun is our nearest star. It takes 8 minutes for light to travel from our daytime star to Earth. It takes 4 years for light from the nearest nighttime star to reach us. Most of the stars are much further away than that. Stars are made of hot gases. In the sun and other stars, there is iron, gold, copper, and tin. They are not solid as they are on Earth. All of them are gases because they are so hot. I can almost feel it. Look at this page. It looks so hot. Oh. The temperature on the surface of the sun is more than 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Ooh. The temperature in a very hot oven is only 500 degrees. The sun is so hot that a spaceship could not get close to it. If it ever did, the spaceship would change to gases. Without the sun, Earth would be cold and dark. No plants would grow, no animals, no bugs, birds, or flowers. Nothing could live on Earth. No seeds, no plants, no bees. We do need sun. The sun keeps us alive. It makes corn grow and apples, wheat and bananas. Animals eat the plants. We eat the plants and animals. They give us energy. So the energy in our food comes from the sun. It is solar energy. Here it goes. Our picture. Millions of years ago, Earth was covered with swamps and jungles. As plants and animals grew, they stored solar energy. When they died, they slowly changed to coal and oil. So ancient solar energy is stored in coal and oil. Now this page. Today we use the stored up solar energy in coal, oil, and gasoline, which is made from oil, to fuel our cars and trucks, airplanes, and rockets. For millions of years, the sun has warmed our planet. It still does. It will keep shining bright and warm for many more millions of years. Well, sun is so important to us. It's important to our weather. It's important for our plants and seeds to grow into plants. It's just so important. And for now, let me enjoy the sun. After all, it does feel so nice and warm. And let's keep learning about the sun. We're not done yet. Just wait.